Good afternoon, John. My name is Citron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about the beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Kona. It won the Utility Vehicle of the Year in 2018. Its first year with plenty of different color options and trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up here that I'm excited to show you. In fact, the one that you inquired about, white on black. So, John, in front, a beautiful honeycomb grille with the LED wraparound headlights, LED daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal and blind spot detection in the mirror. Let's take a look at the inside. This is a push-to-start keyless entry. On the interior, beautiful cloth interior with a nice 7-inch touchscreen display, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated passenger and driver seats, and a ton of safety features such as your lane keep assist and lane departure warning. But John, the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Well, here at Tameron, we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles, which is unheard of. John, again, my name is Citron. I can't wait to get you, down to the dealership, test drive these beautiful Konas, with us and work towards earning your business. My cell phone is 703-505-1598. Give me a call. Let me know when we can schedule that. Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.